Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people of Abia State, my people of Nigeria. I salute you people. As usual, let me put my my identification cap. You know, say I mean they do positive identification now. This is my own identification cap. You don't take small way. I never do this show. Laugh won't kill me for this studio today. But the reason be say I can't dey very busy. Activities can't dey here and there. We can't dey choke my time. But I said today I must give una akoko Abia. Before we progress into that Akokabia, you get one video where I see for internet where we too follow publish. Nah man, you go see where they teach people computer on school decks. See. The guy say, move your hand, release it. That release it. Now even the worst part, the guy said, yeah, he said release it. People who are gonna post and people come they said, what thing did they release for that place? What thing did they release? But the thank God to not be Nigeria, not be Abia State, oh. You know happen for Abia State, oh, not be Abia. You know why? Because so much bad news they come from Abia, but then this one don't be from Abia.
That is dragging and dropping. Yes, let's see yours. That's the object. You are the mouth. Silence. Keep practicing. I'm coming round. Keep practicing. Yes. Release. Repeat it again. Let me see. So this is the object. Mouse. Go. You have released so that you will not move again.
You don't see that other video where motor they move for gallop. Check. People say that video, it be like when you won't go out of Juku. That's how you go. Check. Wahala too much. But meanwhile, we enter the main issues where we get today. Issue plenty where we get today. So we'll take them one after the other. Hey, we'll start with the first one. Not be news again, say OUK don't defeat Mao for a court of appeal. Some people for OUK camp say, we have retired Senator Mao Babunga. Some people for Mao camp say, the bone shall rise again. But the problem I get to be say, we need to ask this question. It's very important. Why is it that almost everybody, if Abia not people there, for example, 100, like 60% they thought Mao, say Mao dey stingy. Say Mao dey stingy. Now they ask now, why now? Even now, Chuku people, they say Mao is stingy. Mao is stingy. And they say, why are they doing like this now? Mao self, if they say you're stingy, why for you never check yourself? When Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. D say you dey stingy, and it be like say that stinginess that affect this election. But then, if that is stinginess, that means all UK know the stingy. Now they call now Koto War. Well, you get about we salute you, but meanwhile, they say the bone shall rise again. Well, 2023 is not far. Senator Mao, go and prepare yourself. It's either you retaliate back to Mao or you do something for state. We are watching. We are here. We are watching with our crocodile eye. Let's move to another issue again. Another court matter again. You don't hear him now. Say appeal court people say na Governor Bazu na him win the election. Say Dr. Alex Oti no fit prove him matter. Bagam. After that decision, see video where our daddy Governor Kurutu Master, where in the dance, in the praise God in the dance. I don't even know say our governor can sing like that to see voice. Voice. Your voice come even better pass my own. Come better pass what it be this Christian woman singer. That is her. Jehovah. I say, hey, is this my governor? Check him out now. Check up. The way when they serious like this, they praise God. I said Jehovah. If you, Governor Bazu praise God like this 3 times for this state, God himself go leave heaven, come stay for here. Yes, so if Daddy Govo taking time, say every first day in the month, saying go praise God like this for Abia State, my man, my woman, my people, Jehovah will leave heaven and come and stay in Abia and relax. Chai! See praise and worship now. See him. He don't pass this Chioma woman where they sing self. See See how Daddy Govo they even sweat for that praise. You don't say in there inside spirit. Kurutu Master, I salute you. Kurutu Master come say make him Oti, make Oti respect the decision of the people. Now in talk, no, so I ain't talk. I don't talk. I don't get anything to talk about. I in the talk. Say make him respect the decision of the people. Now Oti say come fire back. Come say, waiting me are they work for, waiting are they fight for. No be about Ibazo. Now for the betterment of the state, what do they call Abia State? Baga! Now they are the matter called Baga. I can say, well, for me, Ibazu na Abia son. Oti na Abia son. 2 of them na our sons. And if say both of them they fight for the betterment of Abia State, Moku move on now. Moku move on. At the end of the day, now God will take all the glory. This state sweet though. This state sweet. Well. Okay. Make we enter another issue where they're very, very important. Very, very important. Are you aware that Abia Fact newspaper award event 2019 they are around the corner? In fact, now 31 days to go. La. 31 days to go. Remember, say in 2017 we had Chief Dr. David Oba Onoha, OON MFR, as our personality of the year. Now him be the highest award than personality of the year for 2017. For 2018, we can't get another bonge man again. What they call Chief Dr. Daniel Chimezi Okeke. Now him come the personality of the year again. For this 2019, now who go be? Wanna see question mark? We go through review the person. Oh, bonge person will get too much capacity. Person will sabi. Person will be leader. Person will know where things they happen. Now him we go through reveal am, but Boku na does the watch. But meanwhile, so many people don't win some things. Oh, like now for online voting. We don't get Stanley Mba for Buzz FM. Now him win Radio Personality of the Year. for online personality of the year, we don't get Eric Ikwagu, na him win online personality of the year. We don't also give so many people other recognition award where we go reveal in our other edition. Now step by step. Here I will step by step, no rush. I rush like here I will step by step. Meanwhile, we go check another issue again. What they heavy. The state they shake home. There are underground shakings. Underground shakings. The shaking they happen for underground for House of Assembly. It happen for underground for government house over here. Underground shaking for those two axes. Underground shaking. You know, say we in Akokabia, we dey review wetin dey happen for inside Abia. Stylishly, oh. The thing they shake. House of Assembly, they do what they call oversight function, where be their work. So that thing don't they happen, it shake the ground. Contractors they shake, everything they shake. For Abia State government house now, that place they shake to the shaking be say, waiting these people they find. They do oversight function too much, oh. Make them mind themselves for now. They happen for Abia State House of Assembly. No, so sorry, oh. For Abia State government house, now they happen for that side. Now the thing they do, now the rumors. These people they do too much, oh. While for Abia State House of Assembly, which is heavily led by the Speaker. Right Honorable Chinedu Moji. Then they do constitutionally what they're supposed to do. They go check some things. But then you know, everywhere they shake. Are we going to say make house members not do their oversight function again? Make them do them now. But the only thing where some people for street they talk be say, make it be say this thing what they do now with good conscience. Say house members, make it not be say all these things that they do that to go collect money from somewhere. Oh. Say make it be say that they do them truly make Abia State better. Oh. Say as now they go this oversight function, anybody where they suppose indict for doing things wrongly, make them indict them. Oh. Say if they don't indict those people, that means that why you oversight function. Oh. Abia people they watch you like koro. Me are there for street. We there for street. We be street boys, street men. The same man don't come and say boys. That be man. We be street old men now. They say make it be say what the house they do the oversight function. Make it not be the more you look the less you see. Make it be say a true oversight function that they do. Now people they talk for street. But meanwhile, people they also advise how government house say, making them allow house members do their job. Make they allow them do oversight function. Saying that their constitutional right to be that, make them do them. Make them say the oversight function to go help government. It go help government. So that contractors, whether they do their job well, go fit do them well. Remember what happened for Fox Road? They say the road don't scatter. Oversight function people don't reach there. Make them do something that we want. So before we go end for today, the speaker of Abia State Assembly during the time where the governor go drop in budget, in tell governor talk say the oversight function not be winch hunter. Say now to do their own constitutional duty. That one do okay. Just like I said earlier on, the people say make the oversight function be say now true. No be the more you see, the less you see. The more you look, the less you see. I salute you now, my people. I remain Emenike Irebu, the anchor of this show, Akokabia. Remember, say Abia Fact Award event remain 31 days to go. It go hold for Confidence Hotel inside Umuahia for Abia State. Make sure you did there. If you want to meet me in person, come that place. If you wan call me for any information or drop any information, you go see my number wey dey roll for down here. Just call that number. Once you call that number, I go pick up. Direct to me, I go pick up. I go answer you. I go attend to your issue. If you wan place advert for this my show, also call that number. If you wan do advert for our world event, call this number. We deal with you. Abia Fact Newspaper na be the biggest online platform for Abia State. I salute you now. I bless you now. My people, I deal with you now. Nothing do now. We are together. God bless you.